Map B. India was mostly Hindu when the Maurya family built its empire, but the last Mauryan emperor helped spread Buddhism throughout India and to neighboring countries. Number 1. 563 BC, Siddhartha Gautama is born. Number 2. 321 BC, Mauryan Empire is started. Number 3. 260 BC, Emperor Ashoka becomes a Buddhist. Number 4. Ashoka has pillars and cliffs carved with Buddhist teachings. Number 5. Many convert to Buddhism, but most Indians remain Hindu. And number 6. 232 BC, Ashoka dies and the empire breaks up. Map C. The Gupta were Hindus, but they also tolerated the spread of Buddhism. Indian traders introduced Buddhism to faraway places. Number 1. AD 320, Gupta dynasty begins in northern India. Number 2. Tolerant Hindu rulers permit free practice of Buddhism. Number 3. Merchants spread Buddhism along the Silk Road and other trade routes. Number 4. Throughout India, most are Hindu, some Buddhist. And number 5. AD 450 through 500, Hun invasions cause empire's collapse. Time and change. Directions. Use Map B, the Mauryan Empire and Buddhism, and Map C, Gupta Empire and Buddhism, to find the years that each event took place. Write the year on the lines below next to the events. Letter A. Ashoka becomes a Buddhist. Letter B. Buddhism spreads south to Anuradhapura. Letter C. Siddhartha Gautama is born. Letter D. Gupta Empire begins. Letter E. Buddhism spreads to Korea and Japan. And letter F. Mauryan Empire begins.